Today, I'll show you how to add branching in Jotform. This simple guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can easily navigate and customize your forms with conditional logic. Branching in Jotform allows you to create a dynamic experience for users, showing or hiding questions based on their previous answers. This makes your forms more interactive and tailored to individual respondents. So let's dive into the process. First, open your web browser and head over to jotform.com. If you haven't already, log into your account to access all of your forms. Once you're logged in, look through your list of forms and select the one you'd like to add branching to. Click on Edit Form to open the Form Builder interface. Now that you're in the form editor, you'll want to look at the top of the page and click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the options to configure your form's behavior and appearance. In the Settings menu, look for the Conditions tab. Click on it, and this will take you to the area where you can set up conditional logic for your form. In the Conditions section, you'll see various types of conditions you can add. Here, you'll want to select the condition type that best fits your needs. Click on the type of condition you're interested in to start customizing it. For this example, we'll focus on setting up a simple show/hide field condition. Once you've selected your condition type, you'll be prompted to set the rules for your condition. This is where you'll select the if field, which determines the condition that needs to be met for the action to occur. Choose the field from your form that you want to base the condition on. Next, you'll set the state, which specifies the criteria that need to be fulfilled for the action to take place. After that, enter the value that will trigger the condition. This could be a specific answer or a range of values, depending on your form's purpose. If you want to add more than one rule to your condition, you can click on the plus icon to add additional criteria. This is useful if you need your form to respond to multiple inputs or combinations of answers. Now, decide on the do action, which is what happens when the condition is met. This typically involves showing or hiding specific fields in your form. Select the field you want to be affected by the condition under the field section. By setting this action, your form can dynamically adapt to the user's responses, providing a streamlined and relevant experience. Finally, once you have set up all your rules and actions, click Save to apply the condition to your form. It's always a good idea to test your form afterward to ensure that the branching works as expected. You can do this by previewing the form and going through the questions to see if the conditions trigger correctly. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to add branching in Jotform. With these steps, you can enhance your forms, making them more interactive and efficient for both you and your respondents. Thank you for watching, and happy form building.